Right, in today's video, we're going to take you through the crazy graphic bundle that has just been launched by David Islam. I've purchased many of the graphic bundles that he puts together, him and his team, and we're going to show you the steps that he takes to put a full funnel together for this product. So you're going to get the initial upfront welcome to the product, and then you're going to see the upsells and the downsells, giving you an opportunity to kind of understand how a full product funnel can work and how it can work for you. We find this product over on Warrior Plus. There will be a link down in the description area that will be an affiliate link so that you can purchase and then buy me a cup of coffee. And that will put you into this page, but I want to go ahead and show you how this system flows. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, this is going to be David giving you the opening.
Thanks for picking up a copy of Crazy Traffic Bundle. On behalf of Paul Elphick and myself, we would like to congratulate you on your purchase, and we're preparing access for you to our members area as we speak. However, before we take you there, we'd like to offer you the
this is going to be the first upsell as we come through this process.
Opportunity to 10 times your results by picking up a copy of the pro version of Crazy Traffic Bundle. And to make it even easier for you, we're offering this one-time offer at the lowest ever price. It's $20 cheaper than the price that we normally charge for this one-time offer, which is already itself heavily reduced from the normal price. So
if we wanted to do the first upsell to the pro version, it'd be $27 today. And you can just, if you're not going to do that, you can just come down here and hit the no thanks. I don't mind working 10 times harder.
Okay, so myself and Paul really don't want you to miss out on this.
This is the next downsell
pro version of Crazy Traffic Bundle. Now, it's already being offered at the lowest price we've ever made this one-time offer available. But to make absolutely certain that no one's got any excuse not to pick it up, we're going to knock a further $10 off of it, but there's a catch. The price that you can see below this video is not going to be available inside your members area. So if you do...
All right, so he puts in a bit of you have to do it now to get the best price for the pro version, the upsell that he's talking about. So if you're going to do that, then you grab it there for $17. And many of the products that you will see out there that are similar to this particular type of product, if you just click through a little bit, if you do want an upgraded version of something in that product, you're probably going to get a downsell opportunity to get it a little bit less, a little bit cheaper. All right. So we're going to pass that up. No thanks. I don't mind working 10 times harder to get results. We'll go into the next upsell.
So listen carefully to this upsell because this one's a biggie. So this is an opportunity with this Crazy Traffic Bundle bonus rotator to go on to an exclusive rotator that nobody else's link will be on apart from the people that have bought this upsell.
All right, so traffic rotators can have tons of different people on them. What he's offering here is only the people in the Crazy Traffic Bundle are going to be on this particular rotator, so that helps weed out a lot of your competition. All right, so today, $37. No thanks. I don't need an exclusive bonus rotator. And we go on to the next downsell.
Okay, so myself and Paul really don't want you to miss out on this exclusive bonus rotator for Crazy Traffic Bundle because the amount of traffic that you will get to your 5 URLs from this additional exclusive rotator is really through the roof. So we are going to...
All right, so this is the downsell, and they really don't want you to miss out on saving some money and being a part of that rotator. So that's why they're knocking some money off there. And you got to remember that these guys are putting out products like twice a month. So he has all these products out there. He can afford easily to drop the price, give you a great deal, and still make a good amount of cash because you get a good amount of commissions, and even splitting it with a partner because he's going to have hundreds of people buy this product. All right. So no thanks. I don't need that one. Going to the next one here.
Okay, so what we're offering you now is the opportunity to get 100% reseller rights for Crazy Traffic Bundle. That means that you can sell this product exactly as if it was your very own and keep 100% of the commissions from the entire funnel rather than the regular 50%. It's like having all.
So there you go. You buy this at $47, and if you know that you're going to have sales from it, you're going to get 100% commissions. So if somebody comes through and buys this part, you made $47. If somebody comes through and buys one of the other offers, $37, $27, whatever the case may be, you're going to get 100%. So this is actually a pretty good upsell, I feel, so that you have 100% commissions. Otherwise, you're going to get 50%. So if you're not real sure if this is going to be something that's going to sell for you, then maybe we go ahead and stay there. But if you feel confident in the amount of sales that you're going to get, I would go ahead and look at that opportunity. So we'll go on to the next one. This will probably be the next downsell for the same deal.
So Paul and myself really don't want you to miss out on these 100% reseller rights for Crazy Traffic Bundle. So we are going to make one further price reduction, but be aware that the price that you can now see below this video is not going to be available inside your members area.
All right, so once again, he makes this a scarcity style of offer where it's not going to be available. If you don't take it now, you're not going to find it. Go back in there and find it later. And I have not tested that to see if that's true, but I have to feel like, yeah, they probably have it set up so you're not going to get that 100% commission. So at $27 might be the deal for you.
Okay, now again, this is something that's brand new that we've never offered before, and it is a really, really big deal because we're offering you the opportunity to have your own personal traffic rotator. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means that we will create a rotator which only has your links on it, nobody else.
All right, so for $97 upsell, he can create a rotator for you. You can put all of your own URLs on it. You don't have to worry about your competition. So not a bad deal for $97, I suppose, to have your own rotator made. But you can also go out there and learn how to do it yourself and create your own traffic platforms as well. And whether or not you would pay $97 to figure all that out, I'm not sure. So having somebody do it for you, if you don't have time and you don't mind the investment, there you go. On to the next, probably another downsell.
Okay, now I know this one's a little bit more expensive, but we really don't want you to miss out on this unique chance to have your own personal traffic rotator with all the traffic going to your links only. Links that you can change every 3 months should you wish to. Now,
there you go. A little added information there that you can change your links out every 3 months. And they're now offering it at $47 for you to have your own personal rotator. Now remember, if you do take up that offer, that even though you have the rotator, you still have to get it, tell it where to go and where, you have to get the traffic out there. And I think that's also what they're offering is they're going to put your personal rotator out on all of their traffic platforms. And it's just going to be you, so no competition. It's just the only competition is going to be what other rotators are on whatever web pages that they're going to send out to. That doesn't make any sense. Please get a hold of me in the comments. I will try to explain it in further detail. Go on to the next offer here. I think we're here.
Hi everyone, it's Dawud Islam here. Now, I said that I would do something very special for Black Friday this year. This is 2024. And so what I've decided to do for the first time ever is that I'm offering a bundle of my 2 high-ticket products for less than $500. Now, these 2 products, the Elite Academy is my flagship product, which is where I work one-on-one with members of my academy.
Okay, this is his training program and what he put out last year, so he's just throwing it in here as an option for you to purchase at $497 as well. If you do not have somebody to teach you how to do these types of traffic platforms or create traffic for your business, then this is the opportunity to join his elite programs. And you get all of this, and a lot of these are all his traffic products and traffic training. So you get all that there. And then you can say, no, I'm not going to do that yet, David. We'll go ahead and move on. And here inside Warrior Plus is now where we're at and where you will take advantage of your purchase. So you'll access your purchase. Go ahead and see where that takes us. You will create your account. All right, we are back inside the Crazy Traffic Bundle under the account that I just put together or just started. And I can come down here. I can watch the welcome again. I can hit the overview. Main training section, that's where you're going to send in your URL that you want to have put onto this rotator. And you can also check resources for squeeze pages and tools if you want to sell this program to get your commissions, your affiliate commissions. Give you some conclusion information here, some bonuses that you can look at. Here are the upgrades again, and you may or may not get some of those at the discounted price. And global ambassador bonus, get a free product every month. I do not know what that is. I have not looked into that myself. And an unadvertised bonus, so James Keaty bonus and Mike from Maine bonus. So there's probably a couple more traffic programs that you can look at. You can search through the course. Just follow Dawood's video, welcome information, and welcome from his partner Paul. He collaborates with a lot of different people on these traffic platforms, and it will take you through the process, simple process of sending in URL. All you will need is your Warrior Plus. Let me see if I can get back to where I got this at. We're going to go courses, offers, transactions. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you can get into your product here through Warrior Plus. You're going to go under affiliate. You're going to go to offers, and then you're going to put in the exact words. Warrior Plus is kind of a little bit tricky on making sure that you've spelled the word right and you have the complete wording for the offer. So Crazy Traffic Bundle in the offers, and then it comes up and you can click on it. This also is where I can request my affiliate link. And normally they're pretty fast at getting your link approved, especially if you purchase the product. If you were just to come in here in Warrior Plus and searching traffic vendors and found this particular one and sent the offer through, they may ask you a few more questions, but normally if you bought the product, you're going to be good to go pretty quick and easy. You can see the funnel map, and that's everything we just took you through on the video, all the upsells and the downsells throughout the system. And then we can also show you Dawood's other products so that you can go back through and decide if any of those were of value to you as well. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for us. Just follow the instructions if you decide to use this traffic bundle, and they will get you up and running. Please note that if you do, they do all the tracking for you normally, so you normally don't have to have a tracking code on it. But just make sure that you understand what your traffic tracking is the word I was trying to say, so that you understand that and you can make sure to see if you're getting results from this particular program. All right, it's a one-time payment and it's not a monthly membership. So just look for Dawood's other products as you continue to grow your business. And don't forget, if you want to learn how we do content marketing for free through YouTube, to make sure to drop video training down in the comments, and we will get a link for you. It will also be in the description area so that you can join us on Thursday nights, 8:30. It's a free Zoom call training. Then we talk about the 4-step video blueprint and how to get started growing a content YouTube channel for your business. My name's Jeff. I appreciate you stopping in and checking out the channel. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe, touch that notification bell, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.